Hello, welcome to FCST Optical Communication Equipment channel. The protagonists this time are brand new products that have never been seen in the field of telecom manholes. FCST-FTTX Multifunction FTTH Fiber Delivery Point Pedestal Insert Kit, Vault Mount. Let's go back to the manhole installation. According to the video, first align the bayonet between the plates and place the remaining plates correctly in turn. Look, this is what the panels look like when they're spliced together. Take out the assembly accessories that come with the product. Align the holes on the side of the plate with hex bolts for fixing. Let me tell you the advantages of this product. Patch only or patch and splice configurations supported. Future-proof with drop-only to PON distributed migration. All series of non-metallic material, anti-static, anti-corrosion. Flexible integration into a variety of rust-listed pedestals with simple bracket kits. Okay, what you just saw is the fixed effect. Let's put the well seat on the next step. Then use the hexagon socket bolts to fix the well seat. After installing the well seat, we can put the manhole cover on. The manhole cover is also fixed with hexagon socket bolts. Okay, the telecom manhole assembly is complete. Let us look forward to the second part of the video: FTTH fiber transmission point base insertion. Kit, vault mount installation. See you later.